Hi guys, today we have Samsung J4 not charging and we are going to fix this problem. Open the back cover, then remove the battery. Now remove all screws from the back. After that we need to push the screen out from the frame. To do that we need to push from the sided, or you can heat the LCD on the edges to make the glue soft, then you can push easily somehow. Don't push so hard, we don't need to broke anything, the screen or the board, so take all of your time to remove it. Keep pushing from the sided until the two separate from each other. Push from here, as you can see me, this will help you to remove it easier. Okay, the case has been removed. Now we need to take out the screw. There is two black screw on the board, in the bottom and on the top. After that we need to put the board on the holder. Put flux soldering paste. Bring the new charging port and solder the pins with soldering iron. Make sure all pins get soldered. After that, get ready to remove the old charging port. You can use heat gun with a soldering iron. This will make the job easier to remove it very fast. After you remove it, if you see the pins are correctly soldered, then you can put the new one at the same time. If you see the pins on the board are not correctly, then you can solder them again and then put the new charging port. Now every pins are seen correctly. Now we can bring the new charging port and put it on position and solder it. After finish, wait for board to cool for 5 minutes, then you can assemble and then test. After checking the pins wasn't correctly connecting to the board, I had to use soldering iron to put some solder to the pins to make them perfectly connected. Put some flux soldering paste and solder the pins again. It's important to give the customer the best service. I got some problem with the soldering iron, that's why I took long time to solder the pins. The soldering iron has stopped working, so I had to fix it and to continue my job. After you finish, if you have multimeter, you can put the charger on and test the voltage. Clean the charging port with alcohol. Assemble the phone back, put the two black screw on position and then connect the screen. Bring the multimeter and put the charger on and then test the pins. As you can see, it's 4.30 volt. The device has been perfectly fixed. Now you can assemble the phone. That's it. Put all the screws and have a good day. If you have any questions, just write it down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you in the next video. See ya! Like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.